Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe Mr Makhamba. Mr Makhamba kunjani bhuti?
Right baba wena njani?
Ngiyaphila. Igame namhlanje uyibone kanjani as a Khosi fan?
Asicale la. Asibonge ukuthi nize a Change Bible Church to spend the day nathi. Conference amajida. That is, you could have been anywhere, but you chose to be with us. Asibonge lapho. Number one. To amabhakaniya le game namhlanje madoda be right for thina.
For
ikhosi be right for thina ngoba sihamba ngonyalo nwabo, so manis join kule pace yethu is good for us. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay, yeah. So overall yona game le meyidlala against two giants, which is iBhakaniya neSundowns, uyibone kanjani nje?
I think the Sundowns goal was an easy goal, but Pirates showed a lot of character with the equalizer. You know, look, in such games, you don't make that mistake that they did. And you came to this game well motivated to win more than them. So that's why I'm saying this is good results for us. Because you could have won. But football is football. This pace makes everybody to relax.
Okay, so as a Khosi fan, do you think iPirates ngendlela edlala ngayo is capable of winning the league?
Honestly, 50-50. I'm a Khosi fan, so we still looking to be in the chase. But today we wanted the pace of Pirates to slow down, because I'm answering your question. We see you coming with a very fast pace compared to the last season. So that's why this outcome is actually a good day in the office. Remember, Zolos we need. So Mantrowa Naturena Yachachul.
Usituma ngabani?
Ungena ku top 8. Alicacisi kuso ukuthi ukudlala kwethu singamabhakani nokudlala kwabakufani. Thina sifuna iligi, bona bayifunela nje ukuthi bethi ipuntshe beyozwa ubumnandi beM108. Kungabi ngathi si chase into eyodwa, ayifani into sigijimisayo, lo nokwatsha ufani.
Lo mlando uyakhumbula sawina last year amamakethe umnotho wecountry wanyakaza. Uyayikhumbula leyo incident. So lo mlando sizophinda.
Konje iphi win Khosi?
Hawu mfo. Le cup esilithathe last year
Nedbank
after 10 years.
Sanambulela baba, sanambulela baba.
Lelo cup lelo belitshengisa ukuthi iKhosi livukile, and anyeke kube lula. Niyabona nale game namhlanje iSundowns came as champions. They played as champions. But iliga idlala kanjalo. Every game kumele udlale njenge-underdog, which is what Pirates did. So siyanazi ukuthi incapable for in. That's why sijabulele nje outcome namhlanje.
Hey nezo mabhakaniya amakhosi athukile ngapha.